Stock invested for beginners. I made over 5,400 in one day on February 22nd. And today I'm going to talk about 8 stocks that are going to report earnings next week. I'm going to analyze which companies are good or which companies that I do not like. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you my advanced option trading and how I made this amount at the end of the videos. So this week we have one holidays. So basically we only had 4 trading days from February 20 to February 23rd. So let's see how much I made on February 23rd. February 22nd I made over 5,400. So in February 23rd I made over 1,700. So from February 20th to February 23rd I made over 6,900. Can you hear me? Where are you watching from? Comment down below. If you have any question, comment down below. Can you hear me? Where are you watching? Okay, so you're gonna ask me, this is not bad, this is pretty good, in just within 4 days, 7, do I lose? Of course, everybody loses, in trading or in investing. In any case in life, there is a risk. Remember, even when you're driving, if you don't know how to drive, you can get into accident. Even swimming, if you don't know how to swim, you can drown. Even if you know how to drive, and you can still get accident. So on 20th, I lost about, let's see, so I lost 251. And on 21st, I stay quiet. I didn't do anything on 21st. Basically, there was nothing, no gain, no loss at all. But if I give up on 20th and 21st, I didn't do anything on 22nd, I would not have made over 5,400 in one day. So the moral of the story is, it's really important not to give up. If you do not see anything to trade, just stay, just sleep, and don't do anything. Just have fun, travel around the world, make videos, whatever it is. We don't have to trade all the time, every day. That's one thing very, very important. Another thing you need to know from this lesson is that you may think I only lost 250. Actually, there is an opportunity cost. Usually I make about 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 a day. So basically, you can say that I lost over 1,251 at least, because opportunity cost. If I'm not making money today, I lost it. But most people do not think that way. That's why they work so hard in a job that they don't like, and they do the things that they do not enjoy. They stay home, they do not travel around the world, because they do not know what they are missing out. They are working from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. at night. They are happy with what they have. They don't want to lose their money. So they do not invest their money because they are afraid of losing their money. And they do not learn about stock investing, call option, put option, advanced option. That's why they do not have a life like me. So the moral of the story is there's always an opportunity cost. Always try to learn. If you have time to give your time to your employer, your boss, 8 hours a day, 10 hours a day, you have time to study, practice, open a practice demo account, subscribe my channel, learn, watch all my videos, and comment down below if you have any questions. If it's good questions, I'm going to answer in the next videos. So yes, and another thing is never give up. If I give up the first 2 trading days, I wouldn't have made over 6,900 in 4 days. One is public holidays. Only 4 days, 7,000. Not bad. Let's look at S&P 500. I'm going to talk about stocks that reported earnings last week. And I'm also going to talk about 8 stocks. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how I did it. S&P 500 was only up 0.035%. So it wasn't moving so much. In the morning, Friday, it wanted to go up, but it dropped. Then after that, it went up again, then it dropped. So basically, buyers and seller, they are quite even. nobody wins. And past 5 days 1.15, but here it dropped, but it went back up again because of one stock. I'm going to tell you what that stock is. If you know, comment down below. And Nasdaq, the same wave, went up in the morning, dropped in the early morning, then went back up again, then dropped again. 5 days, it dropped, but it jumped a lot because of one stock. Dow Jones, similar, went up in the morning, then it dropped, then it closed positively. The past 5 days, yeah, it tried to go down, but it jumped because of one stock as well. So last week, there were a few companies that reported earnings. One of them was Palo Alto, PANW stock. It's a cybersecurity stock. It dropped a lot because of their guidance, because people have high expectation. And now they lower their guidance a little bit, so the stock sold up quite a lot. And the stock was overvalued at the time, so that's why it sold out as well. Is it a good company? Yeah, like I said in my last week video, it's a great company in my opinions. It's beat S&P 500. It dropped. So if you want to take opportunity, you can look into this company. Look at their financial statements, balance sheet, cash flow. Next one, RingCentral. It dropped. It's not this surprising. It's not a good company in my opinion. Like I said before, it lost money over the past 5 years. So we don't even need to look at it. No surprise here. Next one, found Diamondback Energy. The past 5 days, yeah, it went back up, it dropped. It's an energy company, so I do not like energy company. It did not beat S&P 500, so we don't have to look at it. Yes, it pays dividend yield 4.6%. P ratio, don't look at P ratio. P ratio doesn't matter in stock investing. It doesn't give so much meaning. If the company is cheap or expensive, it doesn't say anything. I don't even look at PE. 4.6, who cares? If you know how to make money using advanced option, call option, put option like me, this 4.6% is nothing. No, it's only for beginners. And next one, Home Depot. The past 5 days up 3.1%. And 5 years, yeah, it beat S&P 500. S&P 500, the last 5 years was 81.5%. Yeah, so it beat S&P 500. So it's a good company. You can look at it. I'm neutral on this business. It's okay for me not to buy. So I will pass. And next one, Walmart. I'm going to talk about stock spread. Why stock spread as well? It's coming soon. 5 days, 3.09%. It jumped quite a lot. Pretty good. The past 5 years, it almost beat S&P 500, but it did not. So retail is a business I don't really like. Dividend yield is low, and it's not my type of business. I shop at Walmart, but you don't have to buy a company just because you shop at that company. So no, Walmart is not my type. And yes, they are having stock split coming Monday, tomorrow. So if you own Walmart stock, your one stock becomes 3 stocks, and your stock price becomes around $58. You divide 175.56 by 3. So don't be surprised if you see your stock price drop. What happened? Nothing changes. Instead of one stock, you're gonna own 3 stocks. Then instead of each stock prices at 175.56, your stock becomes $58. So it's easier for beginners to buy. So that's one of the main reasons why companies split the stock. It doesn't change fundamentally. So to me, it doesn't matter. I don't look at the stock price. Next one, through the past 5 days, it dropped. The past 5 years, it dropped. So nothing special. True car, I don't like this business, so I don't need to look at it. Next one, Rivian. It used to be quite hot the past 2 years, 2021, and because of EV. I know that a lot of people have probably owned this company past 5 years. 5 years, and if you just imagine, if you just own this company, when you bought it at 129, you lost $10, or you lost 92.25%. It's now only $10. You're gonna ask me. Some people say, you know what? It's only $15 stock. How could it be? it cannot lose anymore because it's only $15. Yes, it can. It lost 37.84% the past 5 days. That's why even if you buy only $2 stock, if that $2 become $1, you lose 50%. Don't look at the price of the stock when you are buying a stock. Always look at, is it a good company? Does it perform pretty well over the past 5 years? Stock performance. Has it been in the business for the last 10 years? And look at financial statements in my 5-step criteria. If you like the business, yes, then you can invest in it. Other than that, don't look at PE, don't look at stock price at all. The price is what you pay, the value is what you get. If you spend money on cheap crap, you are still getting crap. But if you spend money on good stuff, you are getting good stuff. For example, if you're going to parties, yes, it's free. Your friends invite you. You can drink wine, alcohol, party, enjoy your life. You can have free food. But the most valuable time asset that you have is your time. So you're giving away your time to get something free, which is crap, which doesn't help you with your life. Instead, if you spend $1,000 or $2,000 on any course that you like, stock investing, call option, put option, advanced option, you are spending your money on cool stuff. So your life gonna become like this. If you always get cheap stuff or useless crap, your life is gonna be like that. So the same way with Grab. You see, everybody knows Grab, especially if you are Asia. Almost everybody knows it. But is it a good company? Look at that stock price. It dropped 11.98%. Absolutely not. So if you look at the past 5 years, no. So that's why even if you see a business all the time, a company, you use it, you don't have to buy it. It's not investing to buy what you use. It's investing to buy real asset, appreciated assets, going up all the time. Of course, there are always some people who bought it at the top, 16.37 bucks. Then they stay hold on to the best stuff. Remember, as long as you know it's a bad company, a bad business, you made a wrong decision, get out, cut losses. Even if you get out earlier, then you will still be better than people who never got out. See, this stock 427. If you got out at 262, yeah, you may probably have lost close to 50%. But if you invested that money to Nvidia, look at that, Nvidia, the past 5 years, 1,915% gain. That's pretty crazy. You will have already recoup all your losses and plus some more gains for that. That's why always invest your great time with great quality people, great mentor like me. Subscribe my channel, watch every single one of my videos, and you can open an account. Stock account is gonna be the link down below. Get a free stock. And if you want me to teach you advanced options or call option, put option, stock investing, comment down below which one you want to learn. Yes, look at that. The past 5 days, it jumped 6.41% because of Nvidia. The whole stock market jumped. You see, Nvidia is a big company, 1.97 trillion now. I think the second or third most valuable company in the whole world. That's why I always invest in great companies. Some people are gonna ask me, hey, Nvidia is already up so high, 739. I don't want to buy it. What if it's gonna drop? Yeah, they waited. Even if it dropped more than 10% to around 674, they did not buy. You see, around 677, they did not buy. Oh, now it jumped. You see, it passed over previous high of 739. That's why people who wait loses. Even if you bought it at the top on Valentine's Day, let's say you lost it, yeah, for a few days, then who cares? Then now it's back up again. You see, there are a few types of investor. Type A investor who buy it all the time at the right time. at the bottom, like me, and then they make the most money. Then type B and type C. Type B means investor who buy investment, who buy stocks, great company, great stocks. As soon as they make money, they get a paycheck coming in, they invest right away. It's gonna be second. The third type C investor, they DCA, they invest once a week or once a month. And when you compare the historical performance of these different types of investor, type C is about the third. It's not much different from second and third, so not much different. Then type D, those buy at the top, they are always unlucky. They don't study stock investing, put option, call option, or advanced option costs, but they always watch my YouTube videos, so they know how to invest in great companies. But they are unlucky. They always buy at the top. That this type D company or type D person, investor, he still performs better than type E, who never invests at all, never invest in stocks, never invest anything at all. It's way down here. Way down here. You see, all these top 4 investors, they are at the top. This person who never invests at all is at the bottom. So much different. So much different. So always invest, even if you buy at the top. As long as you are buying great companies, you will still be better off than someone who never bought it before. Look at that, NVIDIA. This is my last Friday, the week before last Friday. It closed at 726. You know, I was making 49%, 50%, 24,000. Then you might say, oh, some people sold it, you know, because they are weak hands. You know, close to the earnings, they don't want to take profits. You know, they don't believe in companies. They sold it. Yeah, the stock became 668. Of course, my profit it dropped below 20,000, but who cares? Because I knew that it's gonna go back up again. You see, now it's 788. It used to be more than 800 one point. See, 806. Look at that. Look at my portfolio. The same price, the price paid, I did not buy, I did not sell anything. Look at that, 485.75. But look at that. My last price, 788.17 last Friday. So just 2 days ago. My gain is now 62.26%. 30,000. Can you believe that? See? Remember, because I know that this company could become $1,000 stock. If I know its potential or its intrinsic value, all I need to do is just buy when it drops below intrinsic value and just wait to fulfill its potential. So I don't need to sell it. I know that it's a little bit overvalued, overpriced, but I don't need to sell it because I know that its potential is much more than that. It can be 1,000. Could it be pretty soon? Yes, it could be. It could be 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year. Who cares? So I'm gonna wait. Hold. I can use advanced option, and yeah, just wait. In US, if you sell the stock in less than 1 year, you need to pay more tax. And this is I've only for 1 month plus, so I don't need to sell it. I don't have any incentive. And this week, very important, and we're gonna have Corp PCE data. So if it's worse than expected, the stock market could a little bit correct, pull back. Right now, we haven't had any correction. You might think this is a pullback. Yes, but nothing so serious. It's just because people were so afraid of NVIDIA not meeting expectations. And they sold NVIDIA and a few other stocks. That's why stock market dropped. But it wasn't so serious at all. So I wouldn't say it's a really real pullback or corrections. And I think March or April, the stock market could pull back and correction, because if there is no catalyst, if inflation is getting worse. Yeah, so I'm waiting for it. Next one, QMCO reporting on Monday, February 26th. Is it good company? No, 82.5%. It dropped the past 5 years. Just look at that. It's like .com pass. You see, it was up so crazy, 253.52, that it dropped like crazy. If you have been holding this stock for a long time, You deserve it. Remember, you could have sold it anytime, even if you lost 50%. You invest that. If you had invested in great companies like Nvidia, not only you will have recouped all your losses, you will have gained much more. See, since 1998, that's quite a lot, quite a difference. The Nvidia, 1998, it was less than $1. 700 times your money, about 800 times. Look at that. Next one, CarGurus. Yes, I don't like it. CarGurus, basically you can shop cars online, and I don't even need to look at the other criteria because the past 5 years it did not perform very well. One thing I'm going to show you, I used to be top 40 realtor, end of 40, and it was a great life, really good, but I gave up. Why? Because I knew that something bigger, something better is waiting for me. And I travel around the world. I teach people how to trade stocks, invest in stock, option, advanced options, because I know that if I had been doing what I have been doing, I wouldn't have time to travel around the world. I traveled from US to Canada with this beautiful train, beautiful scenery, Alaska, and mountains, snow mountains. I took helicopter, husky, to travel on top of snows when everybody was walking in their cubicle in the office. And so I was traveling during the weekdays because I knew that there are always something better. Don't be afraid to let go of what you're holding. If the stock you're holding is bad stocks, bad companies, let it go. If you don't have time to invest in your education, let go of your worry. Invest so much in your job, 8 hours, 10 hours job that you hate. Why can't you invest only 2 hours every day studying about what you want? If you know that I could become like this, hey, you know what? There are some people traveling around the world making so much money within one or two days. And I could do that. So why do I spend so much time in working in a cubicle? So think about in terms of opportunity cost. You can get started right now. The link is gonna be down in the description below. Freshbet company, it's a 5 years company, not bad. It's up. It's a pet company, dog food. It's been in business for 10 years. Yes. The company has been a public company. Let's see, is it at least 5 years? 2014, yes, at least 5 years. You can look at their financial statements if you like it, balance sheet, cash flow. And do I like this business? No, not really. Generally, I don't like retail business, so no, I'm not gonna buy this stock. But of course, can I trade this stock? Yes, I can trade this stock because if you look at it, it's uptrend. You see, 1 year it's going up. You can trade like this stock. Next one, EverQuote. It beat S&P 500. If you like it, you can look at it. Has it been in the business for at least 10 years? 2011. Yes, it has been in the business for at least 10 years. And has it been in the business for at least 5 years? The public company for at least 5 years. Yes, at least 5 years. Not bad. You can look at it as well. Do I like this business? This is an insurance company, the online website that gives you insurance codes. No, and that's not something that I'm interested in. So I'm gonna pass this company. Can I trade this company? Yes, you see it's going up. Yes, I can trade using options, advanced option. Maxima, trade. But this has been in business for public company for at least 5 years as well. Flashback. Next one, Target. Last 5 years, it beat S&P 500. It gives you dividend 2.9%. Not bad. It has been in business for 10 years. I know that. Public company for at least 5 years. Yes, I know that as well. Would I invest in this business? I don't like retail business, so I'm not gonna invest in this business. But can I trade? Yes, I can trade. Going up, you see, going up. I can use options. iRobot. 5 years, oh, it's crazy, 90% down. No, I don't even want to touch it. Amazon was about to buy this company, but finally they decided not to buy because of, I think, regulatory not approval. So they passed on it, so it dropped. See, year to date 69.82%. See, even if you sold this stock at 38.54, you could say you would not have lost 69.82%. Don't you ever think that, oh, I bought this company at 125, how much lower can it go? Don't you ever think that it can go to zero? Remember, zero. See, you lost 70% of your money this year to date. Only 2 months now. AMC next month. Nope, not investing. No, or maybe trading. No, not necessarily trading. So now I'm not gonna touch it. AMC. Even if they opens the door, no pandemic, people start watching cinemas. People behavior change. They don't watch cinema anymore. They stay at home, Netflix and chill. Yeah, so I don't like it. It's so obvious. It's not a good stock to invest. I may not even trade options because it can go bankrupt anytime. And Snowflake, the past 5 years, 4.44%. It did not beat S&P 500. It's Warren Buffett stock. It doesn't mean that I need to buy. Just because Warren Buffett bought this stock doesn't mean that you should buy. I have my own criteria. 5 criteria. This one did not beat S&P 500. No, it did not pass. My criteria number one, founded July 2012. Yeah, it has been in the business for at least 10 years. So not bad. It met my second criteria. Has it been a public company for at least 5 years? Not yet. Only 2020. So now we are 2024. Only 4 years. No, it does not pass two of my criteria. Do I like this business? Not bad. Okay, I'm neutral on this. But if you like this, whatever, you can look at financial statement, balance sheet, cash flow. No, I'm not gonna invest in this company yet. Not yet. But can I trade this company? Yes. It's going up. It's uptrend. I can use options and advanced option. This is something that I give to my advanced option patron. And I'm going to give it to you as a gift. If you want to learn more, the link is going to be down below. What does it mean? NVIDIA expired on March 15, 2024. 640 put strike price. I got 1,649 right away after I sold this put option. I got this money right away that I can use it to buy any stock, or I can just keep it in my account. And what does selling put mean? I'm selling this put option at this strike price mean, hey, I'm willing to buy 100 shares of NVIDIA at on or before March 15. Anytime, bring 100 shares to me. I'm willing to give you 64,000, and in exchange for the premium that you're gonna give me right now, the put option buyer give me 1,649 right away, just like that. Just because I promised to buy at this strike price anytime on or before March 15. Yes, what is the risk? If the stock drop below 640, let's say it becomes $600 or even $500, I still need to give him 640. See, that's something. That's a change. So if you hit sell put option, sell to open, you are promising. It's like a contract. The broker, electronic signature. Of course, you don't really have to sign with your hand in real life. That would have been a pain. Because it's just like that. I use a click button, I got money, so simple. Then what did I do? Then I bought it back. I said high, I bought it back. The difference is my profit. I don't need to wait until March 15. As soon as I made the profits, it can be any amount, 30%, 40%, 70%, 80%, any amount that I can buy it back right away. Then that's how I made profits. Right now, if you want to know how to set put option, you can go to your stockbroker And right now I'm going to show you example. Say put option March 15, 640. It is now only $1.79. So you multiply with 100 shares, 179. If you sell it now, you will only get $179 because the stock price jumped a lot, 786. So the put option buyers gonna tell you, if you go and talk to the put option buyer, hey, why did you give Master Rich 1,649.47 and why are you giving me only 1.79? Because he's gonna tell you that Master Rich was there for me when I needed him the most. That's why I gave him 1,649.47. And right now I don't need that much anymore, and your stock price is already jumped a lot. And you're gonna ask for 1,000? No way. I'm not gonna buy put option from you for 1,000. You see, the chance of stock going down to 640 is almost nothing. So I will only give you 1.79. Take it or leave it. Yeah, just like that. So you can sell it when the stock price was low. Then when stock price jump, then I can buy it back. That's what I did. I bought it back. So I made a profits, and I use advanced option most of the time. Most people use buy, call option, put option, but I'm different. I don't have money. What I'm trying to say is that when you buy call option or put option on stocks, you need to give money first to get. Then you wait for the stock to appreciate. The only way for you to make money is when your stock goes up in value, or when your call option goes up in value. Then you're waiting. If you own call option, time is your enemy. The more you wait, the longer you wait, the more it loses value. So for now, I don't want to give my own money. Yes, I have 64,000. Remember, never trade advanced option, never sell put option if you don't have cash for 100 shares. So I have 64,000. So what I'm trying to do is, yes, sure, I'm ready to buy anytime, and they give me money. That I use the put option buyer's money to buy back from him. To buy back from anybody. It doesn't have to be him. I'm just giving you example. I use their money to buy back, and you see, it's very, very simple. And what is my cost? There's almost like no cost. My commission is only $16. 4 days. How good this business is? If you invest in real estate, if you buy a house, you buy 300,000 house in US, then you only get about 1,000 or 1,500 or 2,000 in rent 1 month. But you minus all the insurance, mortgage payment, interest, and maintenance, repair fees, everything. You are only left with $300, $500 in your pocket. Right now, I'm traveling around the world. I still get this money, and I don't even have to use my own money. How great is that? Well, the commission, of course, I need to give it to a broker to facilitate this trading. Yeah, it's nothing really. And this gain is after commission. Remember, so if you know how much I have made, you just add back this 16.18 to commission. Then I minus commission. This is what I get in my pocket. Realized gain. Pretty good. That's why I love advanced option. Remember, really, really good. So if you want to learn what I buy or what I trade, you can go to the link down below. Option trading. Only choose this membership if you know stock investing, call option, put option. If you don't know but you want to learn stock investing, call option, put option, comment down below. I will arrange something for you in future. And also you can always go to my playlist, how to trade advanced option trading. Here as well, there are a couple how to videos as well. Go for live videos, and for beginners, really good. And my favorite stock, or this favorite stock, can change anytime. So remember to ask me before you buy anything. Of course, I don't give any financial advice. You can ask my opinion. Do I like this stock? Do you still like this stock? What do you think about this stock? I'm thinking about doing this and that. Of course, do your own research. When you comment, then you can tell me your research. Then I know that you have done your own research. Then how do videos step by step as well. Subscribe, like, share. I will see you in the next video. Bye.